Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI. I love being organized, and this spinning remote control holder lets me do that in such a stylish way. I love this beautiful neutral marble pattern, gives it a very upscale look, and it even has a suede-like finish on the inside. That's not only beautiful, but it's nice and soft against my electronics, remote controls, and my glasses. So I know they're not going to get scratched when I put them inside. It is so well constructed and spins very smoothly. The spinning mechanism is such a great quality. The center compartment holds my mini iPad and my full iPad with no cover. The four smaller compartments are great for remote controls and glasses and pens. It is just so helpful to use this spinning remote control holder to keep my things organized. I love having a place to put my remote controls so they don't get lost. And that's my point of view.